Hey everybody, so we got a new picture frame today. I haven't done one of these in a while, but Kodak was nice enough to send this one over for me to try out for you guys. This one is a 14-inch, so this is actually the largest one I have ever tried. This one is the RWF141 model, and it is 1080p. Now with that said, this will play both photos and video. On the back, we do have an SD port, we have an auxiliary where you can plug in headphones or a speaker, we have a USB port, and then we have a mini USB port, and then of course our DC outlet. This one does come with a little stand where you can stand it up, and it does have these little connectors where you can hang it too. Now right now I've been leaving it alone, so you are seeing it in the screensaver mode. If you want to leave the screensaver mode, or if you want to change that, you can go into the settings and you can turn it off, or you can just add more time to it for the inactivity. But in screensaver mode, you'll have a clock. Now this is really easy to set up and get going. Once you plug it in, it's going to have you connect to the Wi-Fi, you'll connect your region, and you just follow it and you're done. Next, you're going to add an app to your phone, which is the Kodak Classic Frame. All right, so let me go ahead and walk you through the app really quick. That way you can see how it works. You'll go ahead and click on the upload. From there, all you have to do is hit the upload. You'll choose your camera. You can take a new picture and upload it, or you can click on your photos. You can click on your videos. It will show you the ones that you have in there right now. You can click on that, you can upload it, and then you can play it from the device. And that's pretty much it for that. And that's pretty much all you're going to use the app for, is uploading photos and video. Now, due to it showing some things I don't want it to have on camera, when you're in the account screen, you're going to have a QR code. You're going to click on that or scan it with your phone, and then you can go from there to set things up. And right now I do have it connected to a 5 gigahertz network. You can also customize. This is where you can go in and you can change your screensaver, and you could do it after 1 minute, 5 minutes, all the way up to never. So if you just wanted to always have photos and stuff, never do a clock, you can just put it on never. You can also set alarms on this. So if you want to use this on your bedside as an alarm clock as well, this will actually work for that. You can change your time zone. It's also going to let you know what your weather, your local weather and everything is. This one has 32 gigs of storage built in. And of course, you can add additional storage by using that SD card or like a USB stick. Now let me go ahead and show you some photos. Now I uploaded just random photos. This is going to display both vertical and horizontal. And of course, the verticals, once it gets to that, it is going to be just part of the screen. And you can also go in and you can change the individual photo. So let's go, let me find a vertical real quick. So like here's a vertical, you can hit more settings. You can hit display mode, and you can change that into a full screen. Now it is going to blow it up, of course, but you can do that with your verticals if you wish. Also, like I mentioned, you can even play videos on here.
You can also upload videos to it and watch those.
You can also turn the picture frame vertical. But it is a really nice picture frame. It works really well. I had no issues uploading any photos or videos. They upload really quickly, actually. There's also an email that you can use. So you can share an email with friends and family, and they can upload, or they can send photos or videos to that email, and it will upload to this for you. And it's a pretty cool way to share as well. I think it works pretty well, and this is definitely the best one I have tried of theirs. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.